Hello students, in this part we will discuss some structure isomer. What is structure isomer? Structure isomer, the hydrocarbon compound which have similar chemical formula but they have different structure. The compounds which contain similar chemical formula but different structure. This type of compounds are known as structure isomer. For example, pentane. Draw the structure isomer of pentane. Pentane, how we can draw the chemical formula of pentane? Pent and plus ane. In paint there are 5 molecules of carbon, and alkane, number of carbon molecule becomes double in hydrogen with the plus 2. It means if carbon contains 5 molecules, then hydrogen will double 10 plus 2, 12. Pentane, how we draw the structure isomer of pentane? Firstly, there are 3 types of structure isomer of pentane. 3 types of structure isomer of pentane. These 3 types are N-pentane, isopentane, and neopentane. How we draw the structure of N-pentane? We'll take the chemical formula C5H12. Firstly, we bonded all the C in a straight line, in a chain. These are the 5 C. And there are 12 molecules of hydrogen. We bonded with hydrogen with carbon, such like this one. Hydrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. This type of structure is known as N-pentane. Isopentane, 1 methyl is attached with the out of 4 carbon compounds, or we can take the example of such like this one. There are 5 C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 C is attached with this 1 C. This has 5 C, same chemical formula C5. And how many hydrogens are left here? Hydrogen number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This one also see. 3, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Same formula C5H12. But this is known as isopentane, as well as its second name is this methyl is attached with the butane. Because 1C, 2, 3, 4, 4C are attached in the straight line. 4C हैं वो straight line में है, 5वीं C जो है इससे attachment है. CH3, this is the methyl. So we can say that methyl attached with butane, methyl butane. This is the formula of methyl butane as well as known as isopentane. क्योंकि यहां पर कार्बन के चार हैं तो ब्यूट, लेकिन पांचवा जो कार्बन अटैच है वो हमारे इन चार में से किसी एक कार्बन के साथ अटैच है। तो ये एक कार्बन 3 हाइड्रोजन के साथ, इसको क्या बोलेंगे? मिथाइल। 1 मिथाइल इज अटैच विद ब्यूटेन, सो इट इज कॉल्ड मिथाइल ब्यूटेन एज वेल एज आइसोपेंटेन। क्लियर? द नेक्स्ट इज नियोपेंटेन। केमिकल फॉर्मूला इसमें कितना था हमारा? C5H12। C1 2 3 4 5 H12 है। यहां भी फॉर्मूला क्या है? C5H12। सिमिलर neopentane, how we draw the structure of neopentane? C1 2 3, 1 C is attached with the middle C here and 1 C is attached middle C with here. It means perpendicular. Both sides C are attached perpendicular. This structure is known as neo, not only pentane, neo. What we will see, we will discuss later. This is remain 3-sided blank, means empty and bonded hydrogen. 3. This is 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Clear? This one is 1 2 3, and this one 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. It contains also C5H12. We have discussed what is structure isomer. The compounds which contain similar chemical formula but different structure, that is called structure isomer. We will take the example of pentane. Firstly, we will draw N-pentane. N means number of carbon molecules attached in a straight line. Second one is isopentane. 1 methyl is attached with a butane, so we can say that methyl butane, as well as 1 methyl butane. We can also say 1 methyl butane or isopentane. In neopentane, 2 carbon molecules are attached perpendicular with the middle C. Clear? That is called iso-neopentane. And second name of this one is methyl. कितना है? 1 methyl, 2 methyl. What do you mean by methyl? C contain 1 H3. This is the methyl. This one is called methyl. तो कितने मिथाइल जोड़ दिया हमने यहाँ पे? 1 मिथाइल यहाँ पर, 1 मिथाइल यहाँ पर, तो कितना हो गया? 2 मिथाइल। ये मिथाइल किसके साथ अटैच किए हैं? स्ट्रेट लाइन में कितने कार्बन है? स्ट्रेट लाइन में कार्बन है 1 2 3, और जहां कार्बन के 3 उसको क्या बोलते हैं? प्रोप। तो इसको क्या बोल सकते हैं? 2 मिथाइल प्रोपेन. Why it is called propane? Because all are bonded with single bond. नियोपेंटेन भी इसी का फॉर्मूला है, इसी को कहते हैं, और 2 मिथाइल प्रोपेन भी इसी को। क्यों? मिथाइल के 2 ग्रुप, एक ग्रुप ये मिथाइल का CH3, ये एक मिथाइल का ये, किसके साथ अटैच हैं? 3 कार्बन से, और स्ट्रेट लाइन में 3 कार्बन है, जहां कार्बन के 3 मॉलिक्यूल्स को क्या बोलेंगे? प्रोप. तो वी कैन से दैट 2 मिथाइल प्रोपेन. यहां था 1 मिथाइल ब्यूटेन, क्योंकि 1 मिथाइल ब्यूटेन से अटैच था. Clear? One methyl butane as well as isopentane, and 2 methyl propane is also known as neopentane. So we can draw the structure isomer of pentane is 3 types. The question is asked in your notebook, NCERT book, what is the structure isomer of pentane? We can draw the structure isomer of pentane in 3: N-pentane, isopentane and neopentane. Clear?